theoretical and practical applications.
Moving forward, I would like to invite the Chief Organizer, Professor Azhar Mahmood, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Esteemed colleagues, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to all of you. I indeed feel pleasure to address this gathering of scientists and research community. First of all, I am thankful to Allah for making this conference a successful event. As we are approaching close to the end point of this chemistry conference reaction centered on the theme Chemistry for a Green Future, it's my privilege to offer a sincere vote of thanks to all speakers, presenters, attendees, and organizing committee members who have contributed to making this event a success. ICRA-C 2024 is the third conference of its series. This received about 375 registrations. 80 researchers have presented posters, while 65 researchers have orally presented their research work. Due to inflated number of presenters, we have tailored this conference in 6 parallel sessions. The conference is attended by scientists and researchers from 10 countries, including Europe, Gulf, Africa, and China. This conference has witnessed a blend of stoichiometry, synergy, and synchronization between knowledgeable speakers, curious audience, diverse presentation, poster illustration, and well-organized schedules. Each of us is a vital reactant in this dynamic process. We have experienced the collision of ideas, much like the particles in a reaction. Each collision generating energy, sparking new ideas, and forming the bond that will last long after we leave this place. To all speakers, oral and poster presenters, your contribution has been the photo catalyst in this conference, providing the energy and enlightenment needed to fuel our discussion and aspirations, thus driving the reaction forward towards a greener future. That added a vital element to the overall equation of sustainability, from reducing carbon footprints to designing environmentally benign process. Your enthusiasm and insights have the activation energy that propelled our research and curiosity to the next level. To explore new avenues, this indicates the future of chemistry is indeed green. A special word of thanks goes to the organizing committee. You were the buffer solution that maintained the pH of this conference, ensuring everything stay balanced and on track. Your meticulous planning and smart work have ensured that this event proceeds as smoothly as a well-stirred reaction mixture, with each component contributing perfectly to the overall equilibrium. My special gratitude to conference convener, Professor Dr. Manzar Sohail, NUS Star Performer and University Best Researcher Awardee, whose international linkages help us a lot to secure world-renowned speaker for this conference. I am thankful to conference coordinator and treasurer, Dr. Mudassir Iqbal. Another NUS Star Performance Awardee whose well-organized financial reporting and poster competition arrangement are commendable. I am also thankful to Conference Secretary Dr. Muhammad Adil Mansoor, who was assigned a most difficult task that needed round-the-clock software updates, means conference program. and Dr. Adil performed this task in a befitting manner. My special pleasure for Dr. Kashif and Dr. Inayat, who perform various tasks, particularly abstract book and foreigner security clearance, are worth mentioning. My best wishes are also for the chemistry faculty, including Dr. Ghulam Hussain, Dr. Habib, Dr. Irfan, Dr. Khadija, and Dr. Ayman, who were very cooperative when assigned conference tasks. This is a matter of proud to apprise the House that all preparation and execution of this conference was performed by our student teams. The teams including media and marketing, graphic designing, database management, and print media. Your well-coordinated teamwork amazed me a lot. Well done, organizing team. You have done an excellent job. From recitation to stage announcement, from designing stationery to digital screens, from email, WhatsApp to social media management, from financial accounting to attendees data management, and from reception to accommodation. All tasks were performed by our D-star students of chemistry from BS, MS, and PhD programs. Support of lab and admin staff is also worth mentioning for this successful conference. We are also grateful to our partner SSCO and sponsor HEC, PSF, and FA traders. Your support was the solvent that dissolved any obstacles, allowing our conference to proceed without hindrance. Just as a solvent facilitates a reaction by bringing reactant together, your contribution have enabled this gathering of minds and ideas. Finally, we are grateful to all attendees. Thank you for being the active participant in this chemical equation. Your presence, question, and discussion were the precipitate that resulted from our collective interaction, leaving with us with the tangible outcomes that will boost our future work collaborations. As we leave here today, let us carry forward the knowledge, connection, and inspiration we have gained. Let us continue to work towards a future where chemistry is not just a science, but a tool for the positive environmental changes. The bonds we have formed and the idea we have generated here will be the building blocks of sustainable tomorrow. Wishing happy and safe travel, and may our collective efforts continue to make a difference and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. May the knowledge and connection we have gained here serve as a reagent for our future success. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Azhar Mahmood, for those heartfelt and comprehensive words of appreciation. Your dedication and hard work have made this conference a resounding success, and we are deeply grateful for your leadership.
We will now proceed to the prize